Indian Realty may be subdued for a while now, but developers haven't really given up. In fact, they keep their approaches updated time and again owing to their competitive landscape, and this time around they're thinking of going digital. Manasvi Gilani explores the trendy digital apps some top developers have to offer their home buyers.
Passive market scenario, sluggish offtake and stiff competition in the real estate business is compelling developers to get innovative with each passing day. To attract prospective buyers, some of the top realty companies are launching unique digital marketing applications.
We have created a mechanism by which consumers would be able to connect anything that they want to buy, through their mobile phone and experience the property before they buy. Our Interact platform that we have developed will let consumers to take the picture of, let's say, any of the property or a logo or just a blueprint of any of the property that you want to buy. Right? As soon as you capture the picture of that, I will bring about the 3D model of the property that you want to buy. Right? I will let you know what are the things that are available around the property. I will do a walkthrough of inside the apartment or the house that you want to buy and give you a feel of what are the things that are available there.
Mumbai-based Godrej Properties has launched a web application which will enable you to visualize your prospective home by changing color schemes, rearranging the furniture, and modifying interiors as per your wish. All this before you've even actually moved in. Monthly developers have gone a step ahead and launched a digital Manic Week.
Welcome to the world of monthly developers.
This innovative and interactive virtual host provides visitors with project features in detail.
Human cannot give, in a way, complete information to them. So here, when you put it into a system where every information from start to the end, customer or the consumer gets into it. Consumer is more well-traveled, more educated, more are into the technology savvy. So yes, for branding per se, we really got a good response, and slowly now we are developing, even the sales figures are coming up.
And these stylish apps are not only helping customers to have a better home buying experience, it is also serving as a real-time, cost-effective vehicle for developers.
It's a very important part of today's arsenal of today's marketeer, if you will, which helps him not only communicate, converse, but also drive a strong ROI, which is a stronger bang for his buck from his marketing monies that he has.
It's quite an intriguing and a trendy app. All it requires is just one click to actually experience your new lifestyle. But well, it's time that we'll see if this new practice will manage some inflow of money in the bleak market, or is just another marketing gimmick that's making around. Manasvi Gilani for NDTV.
If a company has to spend, wouldn't it be a good idea to spend on the features of the home rather than something that makes it more jazzy?
Well, the company has to sell first, right? The features of the home come later. So, and as it is, if you look at typically developers try and offer great amount of features in the home, but they charge you for it. Now they just want to make sure that they communicate the same to you via virtual models. I think some of the stuff that they've shown is very useful. For example, if you can play around with the interiors before moving in and choose, I think the home buying experience actually becomes much better. And I don't think these apps cost that much. Developers have huge marketing budgets. 2% of the sale value is typically the marketing budget. So they have to play around with innovative techniques as well.
Absolutely. So all the option ultimately yours, but we'd really like your feedback and comments on property@ndtv.com, and we'll continue with our advice. And right now, news and views continue on NDTV Profit.